So hello and welcome guys to another tutorial on this channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to get Sora 2 for free. This is a different method from the one I showed previously, and I think this one is better because it generates video in a longer time period, which is 15 seconds compared to 12 seconds for Higgsfeed. So first of all, you go to your Chrome and you type in mindvideo.ai. So this is it, and you search for it. Then keep in mind the website is in Chinese. All the writings and everything are in Chinese language, so you have to translate it to English. So I'll be dropping the link in the description to join. So we have text to video, image to video, video edit, and some other options there. So I'm going to go for the text to video. So you can see I already have 17 points here. So if you follow the link in the description, you get 17 points free. So right here, I'm just going to type in the prompt that I want for the video. So now I'll just go down here and I'll choose the aspect ratio 16:19 or 19:16. Then I've already chosen Sora 2 free. So if you have not chosen it, you have to come here and choose it, Sora 2 free beta. So you have to click on it. So now it's generating. So I'll just go to my creation history and I'm going to pause the video and continue it when it's finished generating. So you can see now the video has finished generating, and you can see it's very realistic, the exact prompt that I typed. So you can clearly see that the image generation and the video generation are very good. So next thing, I'm going to try another prompt. So choose the aspect ratio as before, then generate. Then as usual, I'm going to pause the video and you can see it's finished generating. You can easily use this for all your TikTok AI video creation. So these are the other works that I did on the Mind Video website. So you can see it's very realistic. This is another work that I did too. You can see it looks very real. The AI video generation is very good, and you can see it gave me the exact video for my prompt. So I really advise you guys to check it out. Click on the link on my description and create an account and create videos for free. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and I will see you on the next video. Goodbye and thanks.